What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining us on the #1 channel for senior care entrepreneurs. And today we got a very special guest, the one and only ALF Boss, all the way from South Florida, Pascal Bergeron. He said he came to fix the elevator or something like that today. Because our elevator's been broken for 3 days.
Yeah, I need the exercise. Thanks for having me, brother.
Dude, honestly, I'm just glad that we finally got to get together in person. You know, because I feel like
It's been a minute, right?
I mean, I feel like we've been, just tag teaming each other on, Facebook or just touching base by phone or text, and but to finally be in person, man, it's been great.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely a pleasure, and great to be in the studio here with you. And
well, I'm grateful for all you're doing, man. Because I know we were kind of reminiscing earlier, but it was 2017 that I think it was around before you reached out. There was a lady that she was running our assisted living facility, Samantha, and she came across ALF Boss's this new software that it could give you reminders, and it could tell you when someone was kind of coming towards their expiration date, and it was this would be so much easier to manage all these certificates and stuff we got to have, and then sure enough, one day you pop up on my
in your inbox,
my inbox, you slid in my DM.
What the heck?
and then it was cool because I remember at that time that's when you were just getting started with it, and today, dude, you're the face of the assisted living world.
When I first started the software thing, I thought it was going to be that easy. People would just find out about it. But,
right.
Now here we are 5 years later. It's a lot more work than what I thought it'd be.
Right.
But I'm glad that it caught your attention,
dude. But I feel like you got the momentum now, man. It's
it's growing, slowly but surely. I think I'm actually starting to promote it a little bit more now. Before, I'm not a spammy type person. Sales has always been a little difficult for me. I don't like to,
I know.
But hey,
I always say I can sell anything I believe in.
Correct.
But I'm the worst sales guy if I don't believe in it. Literally.
I mean, I believe in it. I've always been, believe it or not, been a little shy. But I don't like salespeople. They come to me in my office. I don't like salespeople.
Yeah,
I don't want. I hate to be the sales guy. But hey, I'm starting to learn to make money and sell stuff. You got to be a sales guy.
Well, you're definitely the master networker for sure.
Yeah, I like people, and I like
and it's awesome, man.
And I like my industry, so I know what I'm talking about, and we get along.
Well, and you definitely care, man, because I know you're always. It seems like no matter what, it don't matter if it's 2 a.m. or it don't matter what time it is. You're always answering questions.
Man. People wake up early, man.
Right? I know.
They wake up early.
And if you guys don't know, Pascal actually started in the assisted living field. About 30 years ago is when they started your assisted living facility, right? You've been in it, working in it for 20 years, but have had it for 30.
Yeah. Well, it used to be a motel.
Okay.
And I grew up. That was my childhood. I get to play in a motel in the courtyard of the motel. So, but I was the coolest kid in the neighborhood. We had the biggest pool.
That's awesome, man.
But we switched it up. Dad said, "Hey, snowbirds were leaving, summers were long," and I guess he decided he partnered up with a consultant, and they talked him into opening an assisted living, and here we are now, 30 some years later.
But you guys have 114 residents I know you take care of.
Yeah, we started, it was 54, then we bought a couple houses in the back. Now it's up to 114.
Wow, it's a lot of responsibility, man. But you definitely
lots of learning.
Yeah. But you definitely seem to you're super passionate about it. I love the effort that you put into what you're doing with either ALF Boss or just the group in general. Just bringing the community together to support all of those in senior living. So
yeah, it's I enjoy helping people, and at the end of the day, that's the passion that's inside of me. Is I made a lot of mistakes. I went through a lot of craziness. I went through a lot of ACA stuff. I went through this and that, and the anxiety that it caused me, and I just don't want others to feel the same way. If they can get a shortcut and I can share the information with them, what not to do, it makes me happy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.